pleasant good evening to everyone. The COVID-19 pandemic has upended the lives of the people of the Federation. We are experiencing an outbreak of COVID-19, and we are trying our best to contain this second wave of COVID-19 cases. This is a war, and we need all hands on deck. This second wave started on May 19, 2021. Last evening, we recorded 19 additional cases of COVID-19. And today, we received positive results for an additional 6 cases. These 25 cases bring the total of COVID-19 confirmed cases to 119, with 105 cases for St. Kitts and 14 cases for Nevis. We have registered 53 cases. We have registered 53 recoveries so far and 4 hospitalizations. Ladies and gentlemen, all 4 patients are stable. There are no COVID-19 related deaths. I repeat, there are no COVID-19 related deaths. There are now 66 active cases, so the Ministry of Health is monitoring 66 active cases. The most recent cases include 1 imported case from the Dominican Republic and 1 case from the Tyrrell Williams Primary School, which is now cleared from an outbreak at this time. 1 case in particular is also responsible for transmitting the virus to 9 contacts. Such a case is referred to as a super spreader. A significant number of the recent cases are involved in the gaming sector. Approximately 7 entities have been impacted through the contact tracing process. Approximately 1,460 individuals have been engaged by the Ministry of Health through the contact tracing process. 870 of these individuals have been received from self-quarantine, and a remaining 590 are to be tested and discharged. What are some of the successes and positives? So far, we have prevented the spread of the virus in our schools. So 6 schools have been impacted so far, and they have all been cleared from an outbreak. Secondly, the contact tracing process is working. We have identified cases, we've reached a number of contacts, and prevented a significant number of cases already. Our robust contact tracing process is preventing an exponential expansion of this problem. So this is another positive. At present, the positivity rate is still acceptably low. It stands at 1.6% approximately. There are no COVID-19 related deaths so far. This reflects the state of readiness of our health system. The Ministry of Health has updated its clinical guidelines that provides the roadmap for care delivery to persons impacted by COVID-19. Our national vaccination program is successful, with 64.3% of the target population covered by the first dose and 27.1% of the target population fully vaccinated. So what are some of the factors driving this outbreak? Now, based on the information or data gleaned through contact tracing, we realize that the private and the public sector entities and individuals, they are not adhering to the COVID-19 prevention and control measures of, for example, the wearing of the face mask, hand sanitization, and evaluating employees upon arrival at work at the beginning of the workday. What we found is that a number of employees are showing up and are coming to work while experiencing flu-like and COVID-like symptoms. Another factor, the vaccination rate still remains below the herd immunity threshold. So what are we doing? What are we doing in terms of the Ministry of Health? What's the way forward? The Ministry of Health is strengthening the contact tracing process by increasing the cadre of staff or personnel who will be engaging the contacts of the cases. We are increasing our testing capacity. So one mobile unit will be added to the fleet. We are also increasing the number of case managers who will be supported by the A&E physicians. We are establishing a COVID-19 isolation site, and we hope to launch the SKN mobile app that's going to help us to monitor the cases and contacts. We need to engage the key stakeholders to help public and private entities improve and adhere to the COVID-19 prevention and control measures. We must press on with our national COVID-19 vaccination program. Ladies and gentlemen, this summarizes the current COVID-19 situation. In closing, I would like to underscore the importance of the COVID-19 prevention and control measures and the importance of accepting the vaccine in this fight against the pandemic. Thank you.